Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What is a common algorithm used in machine learning for classification tasks? Is it A. Fast Fourier transform, B. Linear regression, or C. Decision tree? It is C. Decision tree. Who sings All of Me? Is it A. Ed Sheeran, B. John Legend, or C. Bruno Mars? It is B. John Legend. What nutrient-rich water phenomenon is characterized by deep ocean water rising to the surface? Is it A. Tides, B. Downwelling, or C. Upwelling? It is C. Upwelling. What is the main ingredient in okonomiyaki batter? Is it A. Rice, B. Flour, or C. Noodles? It is B. Flour. What distance is a standard marathon race? Is it A. 10 miles, B. 13.1 miles, or C. 26.2 miles? It is C. 26.2 miles. What is time series analysis used for? Is it A. Estimating medians, B. Calculating means, or C. Predicting trends? It is C. Predicting trends. What type of dish is bouillabaisse primarily known as? Is it A. Fish stew, B. Salad, or C. Pasta? It is A. Fish stew. What genre is typically associated with mind-bending thrillers? Is it A. Sci-fi, B. Mystery, or C. Horror? It is C. Horror. Which technology company does Satya Nadella serve as CEO? Is it A. Amazon, B. IBM, or C. Microsoft? It is C. Microsoft. Which influential theological work is Augustine of Hippo known for? Is it A. Summa Theologica, B. City of God, or C. Confessions? It is C. Confessions. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? Is it A. Andromeda, B. Milky Way, or C. Triangulum? It is B. Milky Way. Which character in The Lord of the Rings carries the One Ring? Is it A. Aragorn, B. Frodo Baggins, or C. Samwise Gamgee? It is B. Frodo Baggins. On which date is Krampusnacht celebrated, marking the night when Krampus visits children? Is it A. November 30th, B. January 1st, or C. December 5th? It is C. December 5th. What small infectious agent can only replicate inside the cells of living organisms? Is it A. Bacteria, B. Virus, or C. Fungi? It is B. Virus. What agricultural product is George Washington Carver famously known for promoting in crop rotation? Is it A. Cotton, B. Peanuts, or C. Tobacco? It is B. Peanuts. Which two countries signed the Camp David Accords in 1978 to achieve peace? Is it A. Egypt and Israel, B. Jordan and Syria, or C. Saudi Arabia and Iraq? It is A. Egypt and Israel. Which business model does Porter's generic strategies describe? Is it A. Market segmentation, B. Differentiation strategy, or C. Cost leadership? It is C. Cost leadership. What type of dish is a masala dosa primarily known as? Is it A. A type of curry, B. A South Indian pancake, or C. A rice dessert? It is B. A South Indian pancake. What type of art is Cindy Sherman most famous for creating? Is it A, painting, B, sculpture, or C, photography? It is C, photography. What is the capital city of Venezuela? Is it A, Bogota, B, Caracas, or C, Lima? It is B, Caracas. What is the main theme of the book Scythe by Neil Shusterman? Is it A, immortality, B, time travel, or C, space exploration? It is A, immortality. Which hit single is from Dua Lipa's album Future Nostalgia? Is it A, Shape of You, B, Don't Start Now, or C, Bad Guy? It is B, Don't Start Now. Which Olympic event did Shaun White famously dominate, winning multiple gold medals? Is it A, snowboarding halfpipe, B, skiing slopestyle, or C, snowboarding cross? It is A, snowboarding halfpipe. What main ingredient is primarily used in making aji sauce? Is it A, garlic, B, tomato, or C, Peruvian pepper? It is C, Peruvian pepper. Which fashion brand is Karl Lagerfeld famously associated with as a creative director? Is it A, Chanel, B, Gucci, or C, Prada? It is A, Chanel. What is the name of the unique tilt of Uranus that causes it to rotate on its side? Is it A, orbital plane, B, ecliptic angle, or C, axial tilt? It is C, axial tilt. Which woman is known for her role in founding the American Red Cross? Is it A, Clara Barton, B, Susan B. Anthony, or C, Eleanor Roosevelt? It is A, Clara Barton. What position does Justin Trudeau hold in the Canadian government? Is it A, Governor General, B, Prime Minister, or C, Senator? It is B, Prime Minister. What historic event does Bastille Day commemorate in France? Is it A, Declaration of Independence, B, Storming of the Bastille, or C, French Revolution? It is B, Storming of the Bastille. In which city is the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque located? Is it A, Dubai, B, Abu Dhabi, or C, Sharjah? It is B, Abu Dhabi. What is the primary function of smart glasses? Is it A, traditional eyewear, B, augmented reality, or C, reading glasses? It is B, augmented reality. What is the name of the writing system used for the Korean language? Is it A, Hangul, B, Kanji, or C, Cyrillic? It is A, Hangul. Which NBA team did LeBron James lead to 4 championships during his career? Is it A, Chicago Bulls, B, Miami Heat, or C, Golden State Warriors? It is B, Miami Heat. Which famous sculpture is Auguste Rodin best known for? Is it A, The Thinker, B, The Kiss, or C, The Gates of Hell? It is A, The Thinker. What type of game is Gloomhaven primarily categorized as? Is it A, board game, B, card game, or C, video game? It is A, board game. Which spacecraft was the first to successfully land on Mars in 1976? Is it A, Viking 1, B, Apollo 11, or C, Voyager 1? It is A, Viking 1. What is the primary celebration associated with the Festival of Holi? Is it A, colorful powders, B, fireworks, or C, lanterns? It is A. Colorful powders. In which Marvel Cinematic Universe film did Loki first appear as a character? Is it A. Captain America, B. Iron Man, or C. Thor? It is C. Thor. What device is essential to operate modern computers? Is it A. Keyboard, B. Central Processing Unit CPU, or C. Computer mouse? It is B. Central Processing Unit CPU. What is the main beverage traditionally served at Oktoberfest in Germany? Is it A. Beer, B. Wine, or C. Cider? It is A. Beer. What is the primary consequence of a mutation in DNA? Is it A. Protein synthesis, B. Cellular division, or C. Genetic change? It is C. Genetic change. Which epic poem is attributed to the ancient Greek poet Homer and features the Trojan War? Is it A. Iliad, B. Odyssey, or C. Aeneid? It is A. Iliad. What is the musical format characterized by a series of short, contrasting movements often derived from dance forms called? Is it A. Suite, B. Sonata, or C. Concerto? It is A. Suite. Which symphony is Dmitri Shostakovich famous for, known as his response to the Soviet regime? Is it A. Symphony No. 3, B. Symphony No. 7, or C. Symphony No. 5? It is B. Symphony No. 7. What traditional activity is commonly associated with the Pingxi Lantern Festival in Taiwan? Is it A. Performing dragon dances, B. Releasing sky lanterns, or C. Making dumplings? It is B. Releasing sky lanterns. Which king led the forces of Persia during the Battle of Gaugamela in 331 BC? Is it A. Xerxes I, B. Darius III, or C. Artaxerxes II? It is B. Darius III. What is the primary purpose of an initial public offering, IPO? Is it A. Issue bonds, B. Conduct mergers, or C. Raise capital? It is C. Raise capital. What type of government does Vanuatu have? Is it A. Federal Republic, B. Monarchy, or C. Parliamentary Republic? It is C. Parliamentary Republic. Is it A. eBay, B. Lost pets, or C. Returned products? What is purchase left behind messages related to? It is A. eBay. What is lapis lazuli primarily known for in ancient cultures? Is it A. its use as a pigment, B. its healing properties, or C. its crystal structure? It is A. its use as a pigment. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.